Today is chicken coop clean out day. We do the deep litter method of keeping our poop and compost under control. What that is you clean out this area. They mostly poop at nighttime, so under their roost bars, you put down a layer of pine shavings and they poop on it. When it starts to stink, you put another layer of pine shavings on top of that, and you repeat for about 6 months, and we clean out our coop twice a year. This is our spring clean out. It's a couple months later than I'd like it to be, but we had an extra long winter, so let's get this area all cleaned out. Here's inside of our chicken coop before it's cleaned out. I just started to clean out that part there. We have a door here, so it's easy to take a flat shovel and scrape it straight down into a wheelbarrow, and then we take it over into our compost pile. Here's the coop, all the poop scraped out. Here's the coop with the bars back in for their roosting. Okay, so we've got our bale of pine shavings here, and now our chickens will come in and they will scratch it up and move it all over the place pretty evenly. As they do it, we leave it like this for them because it's like a little game.